Today's video is a hair mask video and we are going to be testing out this. So it's by the brand Headshock and it's a conditioning hair mask, and it's actually a wrap that you pop on your head. So let's get to it. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video we're having a little bit of a treat. We're going to be doing a hair mask and it's going to be this one. So this is by the brand Headshock and it's a conditioning hair mask, and it's actually a wrap that you pop on your head there. So super excited to try this out. I got this in my PrettyObsessed beauty box. I think it was my PrettyObsessed beauty box I got this in. My memory is absolutely disgusting. I'll link the video just here. If you want to go and see the unboxing of that beauty box, please go ahead and click that. It's 10 full size products in that beauty box. It's amazing. But yeah, let's have a little look-see at this and see what we've got to do. So directions for use is shampoo the hair and rinse. Towel dry and comb through. To open, cut or tear along the straight edge of the sachet. Apply the hair mask by gathering the hair up. Fix the cap around the hair, making sure all the hair is covered. Secure the cap with a plastic tab. Gently massage to ensure the product distributes evenly. Leave on for at least 25 minutes. Remove the cap, rinse the hair thoroughly. Use once or twice a week for best results. What I generally like to do with all of my hair masks to make it nice and fair, I like to leave my hair masks on for 30 minutes so they all get fair judgment. Unless they specifically say you can leave them on for overnight, then I'm definitely going to leave them on overnight. But I've got things to do, so I'm going to leave this on for the 30 minutes. So yeah, let's open this up and we'll see what it's like. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Oh my god, it smells so good. Right, let's have a look. Ooh, so it's very pretty straight off. And it's a really decent size as well. Wow. So yeah, you can feel the hair mask in here. It actually doesn't feel like there's a lot in here, so I'm hoping this is going to work out nicely. Yeah, I am just going to get some scissors and cut that. Or will it open like this? Yeah, I'm going to get some scissors and open that nicely. Right, so I've cut this open, I've tucked my hair down. You can see inside there, it's all shiny and that is the actual hair mask in there. I'm going to pop this to one side. I'm going to run into my bathroom quickly and wash my hair like it says in the instructions. And yeah, towel dry it and I'll come back and pop that on. While I'm putting that on, my coordination is rubbish. So while I'm popping that on, it's probably going to take a few minutes. I'll do a little voiceover. And that'll just be the information that's on the back there of what this hair mask can do for your hair. But before we do anything, here is a little before of what my hair is like. Right, so hair's been washed, it's been towel dried, and I've just brushed it. So let's get this on. Replenish hair with this printed hair sheet mask enriched with coconut oil and cocoa seed butter. This mask helps to deeply moisturise and condition hair while strengthening hair follicles and providing long-lasting hydration. The innovative design makes it convenient and easy to use and vegan friendly. Right, so there it is on. I found it very awkward to put on. I don't know, and I've still got bits of hair that won't go in, which is really annoying. So I'm just going to try and poke these through and then we'll massage it onto my head. That's the best we're going to do. So we're just going to rub this and, like it says, massage it through the hair. There we go. So we'll leave it on for 30 minutes. We'll come back and take it off and go from there. Right, so that is half an hour, 30 minutes is done. So I'm gonna go hop in the shower. You are not coming with me. I will be back once I've put my face on and we'll dry and style my hair and see how well this mask works. Right, I am back. My face is on. I have rinsed the mask out of my hair. So yeah, time to actually dry it and see what is what. So I'm going to dry my hair with this. This is my Revlon One Step Styler and heat spray. There it is. Thought I lost it there. So this is the Schwarzkopf Professional Performance Keratin Heat Spray. I've got a tiny bit left. I hope I've got enough for for drying my hair. I'll have to go out and buy another one. I've used a few of these now and I really like it. So let's get to it. Oh my god guys, look, I'm taking my hair out of my towel. I haven't brushed it. I'm flipping my head back, running my fingers through my hair and look, not one knot. Impressed. Guys, so that is the finished look. What do you think? I must say I'm quite impressed. I'm eating my hair. Yeah, I must say I'm quite impressed. I have one little criticism and that is only the fact I wish there was a little bit more of the hair mask or serum or whatever it is in the actual wrap. But considering this is what my hair looks like with what was in there, I think it's really good. The shine on it is insane, absolutely insane. So let me just show you. Look at that. It feels so soft. I showed you before when I took my hair out the towel, hadn't brushed it, nothing, literally just took my hair out the towel and my fingers went straight through it. There's no tangles in it at all. My ends feel really good. It looks really healthy. Yeah, massive thumbs up. So I will link Pretty Obsessed beauty box down below in the information box for you, in case you want to treat yourself to one of their many subscriptions that they do. And yeah, if I can find the product on its own, I'll link this hair mask. But yeah, I can't stop looking at my hair and I have to not touch it because it's so soft and all I want to do is touch it. But yeah, that shine, lovely. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.